What up people, Stinson here. Welcome to my channel Code with Stinson. So in the previous video we discussed about nesting of tables in HTML element. So today let us discuss about forms. Forms in HTML element. So before discussing about forms, let us know what is forms in HTML. MDN. So yeah. Okay, so here it says represent a document section containing interactive controls for submitting information. So basically form, here you can see here. So this is the form. So this is the form layout. This enter your name and text area and enter your email text area, and this button and all comes under forms in HTML. So without form layout we cannot create this. So to submit user information or to extract the information from the user, we require form element in the HTML. So that is why form is used. So different types of attributes are here, so you can go through that. Method, null date, target, as well as very important one is enc type, encoding type, and there are many other attributes. I'll not discuss every attribute here. Let us discuss only the important ones. So let us create. Okay, so let us go to Stinson personal website here. So if I click on contact me, here you can see that he has provided his number and his Instagram account link, as well as he has taking the username as your name to type something. Okay, then mail something. Okay, so tiger@gmail.com. Okay, so then is taking input for a message from the user as the input, and if I click submit here, okay, there is some glitch here. So let us try to overcome this. Let us try to implement this successfully. Okay, so let us design the same thing. If I click submit, this message, your name, mail ID, it should go to his mail, that is the owner's mail. Let us try doing that first. Okay, this is our website. So if I click contact me here, and you can see that mail me at Instagram, something is there. So let us upgrade this contact HTML page. So contact HTML. So let me remove this, my contact details, mail me at. Okay, I'll remove these things. I'll just provide paragraph tag saying that my number equals 966. Okay, let me give a dummy number. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 9 9 8 9 0. This is a number. Okay, so this is the number, and then let us create form. Yeah, form. So let me remove this. This is the opening tag and closing tag. Form has opening tag as well as closing tag. So this class label is not required here. So let me remove that attribute, and this let me add one more attribute. Okay, first let me show you the label element. So this label element is nothing but, here you can see here, this is the label. Enter your name, enter your mail. This is the input. It is asking the user to enter something to this text area. This is the label. Enter your name is the label, enter your email is the label. So this is why label tag is used to ask the information from the user. So if I say enter your name, enter your name. Okay, so if I click that and if I hit refresh here, here enter your name, I'm getting that. Okay, so let me, how to include this text box in HTML is just by saying input tag, input element. Okay, so this input element is a self-closing tag, that's why there is no closing tag for that. So input type text and name is blank, or you can say let us give name is blank and value as nothing. So let us click save and let us refresh. See here, we get the text box to enter your name, okay, from the user. So this is very simple. Okay, so then what is required? Then let us see here. Okay, your name and your mail and your message, and then submit button. Okay, let us implement the same. So let us line break, then let us include label saying that enter your mail, enter your mail. Okay, so if I click and save and let us refresh that, same, it is displaying the same. And let us include the input tag as input type as mail. Okay, so there is a type called mail. Then if we click save and if we click refresh, we get the same. So what specialty in this type equals mail and type equals text, what is the difference in the sense is if in text element I can give anything, okay, it takes as the input. But here if I give some dummy characters and click enter, wait, let me include the submit button as well, 1 second, and line break. Okay, before submit button, yeah, let me include submit button, then input. So type to how to include submit button, just by specifying the type as submit. Okay, yes, reload. Okay, contact me. Okay, so let me enter the name, Trishul or Stinson. Okay, Stinson. And if I give my mail as something invalid mail, and if I click submit, if I hit okay, just 1 second. Okay, why it is you can observe here, if I click submit here, I mean, yeah, if I click enter after entering the mail, and if I click submit here, it is taking to the index.html. Why it is doing that? Because of this action. See, action is specifying index.html, that is the home page of this web page. Let us remove that and let us say mail to colon, and let us say thrishul.2001@gmail.com. So what it will do is it will, if I click submit, it will go to, it will open the mail composing with two address to trishul.2001@gmail.com. so two address will be this mail. So let us try doing that. Enter your name and something and click submit. See, here you can see that here you can see that threshold.2001@gmail.com, it is taking to this two address. So this is the speciality of this submit button, because by specifying this action equal mail to, it will, if you after as soon as you click submit button, it will take you to the mail app, and the two address will be threshold.2001@gmail.com. okay, so that's the power of HTML. So by using simple by making simple changes, you can make your website responsive. Okay, so here this is our dream website. Okay, this is our target website. So here they have provided your message as the label, and they have included this text area, included as this as text area, and they have included submit button. Let us include the same thing. So yeah, after before submit button, let us include label saying that enter your message. Okay, then if I say text area, how to include text area? By specifying text area. Text area is specified by text area. Okay, so this is the name. Let us undo that. By default, let us say 10 rows and 10 columns, the width of the height and width of the text area. Okay, so you can change that label. Okay, so enter your message, then I'll say line breaker, because yeah, hit save and let me refresh the same thing. Yes, reload. Yeah, see here the size is very less. Let me make it as 30 columns. Then it will become very good. Okay, enter your mail. Okay, so then ds something and click submit. It will open this mail app with two address, so trishul.2001@gmail.com. okay, same thing. Okay, so if I click name as your name and mail as your mail, and yeah, that's it. And if I include the same one more attribute saying that enc type text plain, and if I click refresh and say reload, and if I click something and click submit, see here you can observe what changes I did. Let me tell you the same thing. I have changed the name as your name, and I have changed the name. Here it was blank, right? Only codes was there, so nothing. Name was I have the name was blank here, and the here name was blank. So I assigned name equals your name equals your mail. So this acts as a variable. Okay, this acts as a variable, and I have included an attribute here in the form opening tag saying that enc type equals text slash plain. So if I don't include that, let me show you. If I don't include that, what happens? This acts as a your name acts as a variable. So variable, enter your name equals asd. That's what you have entered here. Okay, this is a bit confusing. Let me try again later. Let me say this. Let me close that one. Yeah, okay, let me refresh. What's the use of the your name and your mail? I'll tell you. Enter your name, I'll say Stinson. Okay, enter your mail, I'll say Stinson dot 2001 at gmail.com. okay, and then I'll enter my message, something blah 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 blah. Okay, that's not important. If I click submit, see, okay, one second, don't save. Yeah, hit refresh, reload, same thing, Stinson tab something, click submit. Okay, here you can observe. So here what I told, your name and your mail can be used as a variable. What is variable in normal language or in Java? Variable is something which holds the data value in itself. If I say int a equals 10, so if I want to refer 10 in my program, I'll use a, right? Print a, it prints 10. If I say print 10, instead of saying print 10, we can use variable name to store the data, and we can modify the data stored in variable. That's why we use variable. The same thing it is happening here, that is your name acts as a variable and your mail acts as a variable. See here, what I keyed in for enter your name, I gave Stinson. See, your name equals Stinson. Stinson is the data, your name is the variable. And enter your mail, what I gave DSA DS something blah blah blah, I have entered same thing, your mail is the variable and the data is this. So what is this ampersand? These are all, you know, special characters which has which has meanings such as and, a and d and. Okay, so so this you know, to avoid these special characters in the mail body, or to avoid these special characters, we include this attribute enc type. So if I give its value as text plain and hit save, and let me delete this message, yeah, don't save. And if I click refresh, reload, and if I say Stinson, Stincy, if I gave Stincy as the name, and Stincy 123 at gmail.com, and if I say the message, hey there, you are awesome. Okay, this is my message to Stinson or Stincy. If I click submit, see, your name equals Stincy and your mail equals stincy123 at gmail.com. Here the ampersand and is disappeared because I have used enc type equals text slash plain. So whatever the data I enter, that's what will be there in this mail this in mail body. Okay, so if I don't include this, special characters will be included such as and or plus. To avoid that, I have used this attribute. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, please do ask in the comment section. Okay, I'll try to clear your doubt. If there is need to reshoot the video, I'll do that and I'll upload. So please do support me, share this to your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.